Claude Cowork just did something absolutely insane. And honestly, I think most people are sleeping on this. But anyone who's using it is easily saving 5 to 10 hours a week and save any business lots of money and make customers happier instantly. Because with this feature I discovered, you can create an AI agent that manages your entire email inbox for you. Not just summarize emails, not just write emails, but actually open every email you receive, read it, and send a perfect reply while you're doing something else. That's exactly what Claude Cowork can do now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, connect it to any email inbox, and turn it into your personal email assistant. Before we go to the setup steps, let me show you a powerful example of how I'm using this to save me lots of time while AI and Claude Cowork takes over my email. So I run a business where I basically have a subscription library of AI systems where I continuously add new stuff to it, right? And I have an email support inbox where I constantly get questions about, okay, where is my login details, right? How do I get my invoice, and all these repetitive questions and issues people have over and over again. So I used to do this manually, basically copying and pasting these emails back and forth between a Google Sheet, and even I had this Claude that I used here, where I was copying an email from a customer, right? Pasting in it here, tell Claude how to respond, copying and pasting in here and back, and it still was consuming a lot of time. But now when I go to Claude Cowork, right, I go to my projects here, and there I have the support emails reply generator I created, and it has even run already. So now it scans my email every day, every morning, and checks is there any reply. So today the check is complete, no unread emails found in the inbox, good. And then I have set it up for another inbox. So you can set it up for any inbox you want, and multiple at the time. And there is this inbox where I specifically get sponsorship requests, right? People seeing my YouTube channel and want their software to be featured. And you also see, right, it has a filter. So it doesn't reply to any email, only specific emails. For example, here it figured out, okay, this is not a sponsorship request, and this is also not a sponsorship request. So it skipped those. And that's really powerful. But if I look at yesterday, right, there I will see a reply, right? So here I found one unread email and processed it. Subject line, can I get received? Action replied with, can I get the invoice? So it replied automatically to this person. So I've already still have this here. So here, right, this is what the person sent. And then if I go to send, I see that. So it replied back. So this is the email I used to copy and paste back and forth. But now Claude Cowork handled it for me, actually here, right? It handled it for me, it replied, and it's complete. I didn't even have to log into my emails, right? Each day this runs automatically. The first thing you need, if you haven't already done this, download Claude to your computer desktop. This is a requirement for it to work. And once you've set this up, then we can get started. So I've already set up here a project. This is what you want to do first. So if I go to projects here, as you see, I've already set this demo email agent, support agent up with instructions, with some reply templates. So if you start from scratch, what you do, you just go here to projects, and then you create a new project. And then you just click on start from scratch, type in your name, and then click create. That's all you have to do. So you don't even need to have the instructions. Sure, this makes things better, because this basically defines how your email support agent should reply, right? What tone of voice should it use? What resources should it access? What's the formatting rules, and so on? Like how should it respond to different type of requests? For me, sponsorship inquiries or general email, general questions, customer support, and all this stuff. So I have this project instruction. If you want to use this and really professionally set it up, I have this in this area where you will see me copy and pasting back stuff. So this is inside my AI systems library. There's one part called Claude Cowork system that I'm now building out that has different workflows and automations, and also guides and skills we're going to be used. So this is here basically the template for your project instructions. If you have access to this can be really useful. Let's open Claude. The next step is to connect our email inbox. And to do that, I will go to my resources, and then I go to my beginner guides, because here I have all the prompts here in it. So you see that Like it's basically the full setup guide. So everything we are going in this video, I've just summed it up and put in there, including a few more detailed information for non-technical people specifically. So we are now here. So this is what I need. I have this prompt that I paste directly in here. So what I do is I want to add my email, the password to access my email inbox, and I need to tell it what is my email provider. Mine is Namecheap private email. So this is Namecheap is a platform where I can set up an email inbox based on my domain name, right? This is what I've done. So I will paste this in here. This is my inbox. So let's delete this, paste it in here, and here I will give it my password. So this is the password I use to log into my inbox, basically. And then I click on let's go. Now we see this, okay, it has already been connected, already, like you can check, right? This is the total emails that are in my inbox. So if I go in there, okay, there's currently no unread email. That's perfect. And yeah, there's a lot of emails in there. So this is correct. The connection has worked. Now in my project, right, as if I go back here, you see I've already have files for my email templates and so on, because I previously, over like 6 months, I collected all the emails that have like repetitive issues, repetitive questions, and I stored them into a Google Sheet, and then I downloaded it, and then I added it to my project so that now Claude can basically access these and come up with the replies based on the template. So it gets accurate information, right? It doesn't just like if someone here, as we have here, right, they ask me, okay, where's my invoice? It can't just make up any question, right? It needs to be specific, like this is the answer that I need to send them, because only then will they find the email, because it's specific to my payment processor, how they send and write emails. So this is where I need to type this once, and then Claude Cowork will reply like that to all these types of questions. And so what I need to do, right, if you don't have a collection of these different email reply templates, instead, we are going to ask Claude Cowork to scrape all emails and find common repetitive issues, right? Repetitive responses. Now, how do we do that? Well, I can prompt it to tell it to scrape the emails. This will give you okay results, but to get the better results, I need to add what they call a Claude skill. So I've prepared a specific skill here. It's here in my Claude Cowork systems area where I have it, the inbox template builder, right? This scrapes my email folder and groups them. So I download the skill site. And by the way, you don't need to have this skill to complete this tutorial here that I'm showing you, but it gets you better results. So if you want professional setup, I highly recommend it, getting this skill. And then what I will do here is actually go on here. I click on skills, and then I just click on manage skills. And then I click here on add a skill, upload a skill. Then I just upload the skill that I have just downloaded. It's here in the downloads, my inbox template builder. Click on it, and it's usually switched on. Okay, now I can go back to my project. So projects, and then I will open this chat again. Then I will open this chat again where I have used to connect it, and I will just type in, run the email template builder skill on this inbox I just connected. Now it has completed this email template creation here, and now it should already be added to my project. So if I go on here, I can see a new file. So here I think it's email templates. This is what it has just created for me. It's just scraping my inbox, right? And now it's added to my project, and now it has access to these additional email templates that it can reply to. Now my next step is I want to make sure Claude, this assistant, only handles emails, like first level emails. So emails that haven't gotten a reply yet. For example, right, it has sent this email, hey, the invoice is automatically attached to the purchase confirmation email with the subject line speech, please check this. So this is the first response to the email to the person, right? But if now the person replies back and say, okay, I can't find the email, please, can you send it to me again? Then Claude Cowork should not generate a reply, because I need to step in, right? I need to go into this person's account, trigger the email again and the invoice, and it should be sent, right? So for these cases, I don't want an automatic reply. And that's where I can either go to my guide here and say, prompt this, right? I can paste this and say, only reply to first contact emails. If someone has a reply to one of my emails, or the email is part of an ongoing conversation, skip it, right? Because then it should be handled manually. Or what also I can do, and what is a little bit more effective, is I add another skill, right? I have this first level auto reply skill, right? Which basically makes sure that the auto reply only deals with first contact emails, right? Where someone contacts me the first time with their question. And then let's add this. So again, I go on here, I go to my skills section. I think it was here, skills, manage skills. And we add another skill, create the skill, upload skill, add it here. And email first level reply. Okay, to my project. And so let's start right away with a test. So what I want to do first, I'm going to act as if I were a customer, right? I send this email, okay, I need a receipt, right? I purchased the templates, but I didn't get the receipt. Can you send them again? Can you tell me where I find this, right? Or it could be, okay, my login details were missed. I don't know how to find these, right? So just send this here to my support inbox. Now it's going to take a few seconds. Now the email has arrived. Let's go back to Claude Cowork. Now I need to go back to this chat that I've used to connect it, because one more thing I need to do, I need to store the email connection credentials. So I need to say store the connection credentials to hello in a file or in the memory of this project, so any new task inside this project has access. Now any new task we create in the project will have access to this, and we don't need to give it the password every time. Now you see the email has arrived. Let's go back and check. Okay, can we check my inbox? hello@fabimarkel.com for any unread emails and reply to them. Okay, the process has run. It found one unread email and sent a reply. So let's see. Okay, we see here, right? It has one unread email here. And now it's automatically marked as unread. If I go to send, we see here the reply. And if I go to my customer inbox, so this will be the customer, immediately get a response. Yes, here, perfect reply, right? And with that, this is complete. And now the next step I could say, right, I want to check, okay, it should not respond if I would now reply. If I say, I checked spam and inbox, but can't find the invoice, please send it again. Because then, right, AI, it's not currently connected to my email marketing tool that can get the invoice for this person and send it to them. A human would need to take over, right? So let's go to back here. Now you see I've gotten a reply. Now it should not reply again. So what I would do now, just use the same prompt and check my email inbox, and let's run it again. And it's exactly what happened. You see, one unread email, reply in an ongoing thread, it's skipped. So it needs your attention, right? Right? It even tells me, right? You need to log into Apify. Yeah, that's basically my payment processing tool, and resend the purchase confirmation email, right? That's how it knows this, because it has scraped my previous emails, and it knows that this is the replies I've sent to these people usually, right? So it tells me even what to do, and that's really powerful. So with that, the setup and connection of this is almost complete. There's one more thing to do, because I don't want to go in Claude Cowork every time and paste this prompt, check my inbox and answer an email. No, I want to automate this, right? I want to fully automate this. And it's very easy to do. I just tell it, schedule this task to run every day at 9 a.m. Then I just paste the prompt in it again, right? And just enter. And now it will set this up as an automated task. So every day, right, at 9 a.m., it will check for unread emails in my inbox, in my customer support inbox, and reply to those. Just one more thing I would do, I would go here back to projects, because before you can fully trust that this works, you would run it one more time. So just click on run now, and then see if there are no errors, like if it can get the emails, connect to the email account. And once all of this is set up, then you can basically leave it like this. So then you can forget about this, right? And then you only watch your emails from time to time. And then if you have to step in, or your human agent or assistant needs to step in, it only tackles those tasks where really a human is required. And it's going to save a lot of time, right? Because most of the emails you're getting is just the same stuff over and over again. Now, the best part is you can connect like not just one email inbox, but as you see here, right, in my project, if I go to projects, so if I go to my email reply system that I've set up, I've also set up an automation for sponsorship emails. So basically here, it accesses my inbox, right? This sponsors@fabiomarkel.com, where people or businesses or companies reach out to me and ask me if I can present their software on my YouTube video, right? So, and I've set up an automated reply system like this as well. So I don't need to constantly reply to these, only once they are sending me details, right? I need to take over. Basically means there's no limit to how many email inboxes you can connect to it. And with that, the setup of our email reply assistant is complete. It's now totally taking over 90% of my email communication I receive every day in my customer support inbox. Everything I've used in this video, the exact project instructions, all the prompts, the setup steps, the skill files we have added, and the full setup guide, it's all inside my AI systems library, where I keep adding new Claude Cowork resources, workflows, and automation systems. If you found this useful, hit the like button where I show you how to connect Gmail to Claude Cowork and show you what other powerful automations you can build. See you in the next video.